Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something super simple, and it's gonna be Mooncake from Final Space. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and I know it looks simple, but the hardest thing is actually trying to get a nice curve like this. So let's try and draw this egg shape. So to begin, I'm just gonna draw in curve. And if you're using pencil, you might want to kind of sketch it out first because it is very hard to draw a nice simple curve. Okay, so one curve all the way around, and then on the corner here, I'm going to continue it, and it's going to turn in a little bit faster. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit of a tighter curve. And then once you have that, just try to follow this, but draw it on the reverse. Alright, so it's basically just an egg shape, and then from here we're going to start out with the mouth first. So just right in the middle of this circle, just come to the middle. I'm going to draw one curve like this. It's going to be his mouth, and then once we have that, we're going to draw in the eye. So just right in the middle here, just come out to the side. Again, this is a little bit tricky too because we're trying to get nice curves, and my circle is a little wobbly. Alright, and then once you have one of them, then just kind of come across and just kind of measure, so that you guys can join the eyes at the same level. Alright, and then let's see, for the eyeball, I'm just gonna have him look this side. So, whichever way you want him to look. Alright, and then from here, let's see, the antenna is really easy. So just go up from the corner of the eye, just go up, and then just draw in. And at the end, just draw in a circle. And so come to the corner of the eye, just kind of go up. Circle, and then for his foot, so again, corner of the eye, just come down, just curve up. Same thing here, corner of the eye, just come down, and that is it for this super simple mooncake from Final Space. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.